Several of the camera settings can be accessed through the CloudView user interface. To access these settings, click on the Settings tab located on the right-hand side of the home page. From there, click on the Devices tab. Once you're in the Devices section, click on the camera whose settings you wish to change. Under the camera settings, several of its features and functions can be adjusted. Some of these functions include the date format, text size, time format, and the name of the camera. Additional functions can be adjusted by clicking on the various tabs located near the bottom of the screen. Under the Video tab, you can adjust the camera's technical functions such as its bitrate, screen resolution, brightness, contrast, and so on. Under the Motions tab, users can set up custom motion windows. The motion windows are an important factor when setting up motion alerts or motion-based recording. Up to 4 motion windows can be set per camera, and each motion window can have its sensitivity range adjusted. Once all your motion windows are set up, simply click on the Save button. If your IP camera includes an external or internal microphone, you can set up the audio recording function under the Audio tab located here. Once you've adjusted all your settings, simply click on the Save tab located in the top right-hand corner.